My name is Carl.
Yep. And I'm his brother, and my name is Carl too.
Yeah, we're brothers.
We're news reporters, and we have a show called Carl and Carl, and I like it, but most people hate it.
Yeah, it's pretty terrible.
Yeah.
Objectively.
Yeah. People get surprised when we tell them we're on TV. They always assume because we're young and black that we're rappers or something. Which we are. And we were actually rappers.
Oh yeah, they're absolutely correct in their assumption.
Yeah, we didn't always work in TV. We were telemarketers.
Hello, Mrs. Johnson.
Hello, Mr. Smith.
My name is Carl. I work for Cable
World.
Would you be interested in buying some?
Hello? Still there? Stand-up comedians. Well, we're identical twin brothers, and we're very close. We even finish each other's sentences. We were supposed to say sentences.
Oh, I had to say it before.
Yeah, that's a joke.
Physical trainers. All right, man, do it.
You got it.
You can do. You're doing good.
We believe.
We believe in you, sort of. Lawyers.
And Your Honor, for those reasons, we believe that our client is not guilty.
I don't know, man. There was actually video evidence of him stabbing a person. We saw it.
Then our client's probably definitely guilty. Yeah. We wanted to find a job where we could pretty much smoke weed all day before we did it.
Mm-hmm.
And
sit down.
And not talk to people. And that's news reporting right there. I mean, that's the perfect job it's perfect.
Going live in 3, 2.
One.